Tired of your Bronco seats getting wrecked by mud, coffee spills, or your dog's claws? Yeah, that's a mood. Factory seats look great for about a week before life happens. That's where solid seat covers step in, keeping your ride fresh, protected, and looking straight up slick. I checked out the best seat covers for the Ford Bronco, and trust me, these bad boys deliver. All the links are down below in the description, so check them out if you like what you see. The red rain seat covers bring luxury vibes to your Bronco. Made from thick Napa leather with 10 millimeters of padding and a full wrap design, they protect every inch of your seats while giving the cabin a classy upgrade. The cloud-style stitching looks awesome, and reviewers say the quality feels premium right out of the box. No cheap compressed packaging here. They're waterproof, airbag safe, and easy to install with video instructions included, a top pick if you want both protection and style. Next up, FEINEPRO nails that perfect balance between safety and comfort. Here's what the real-world user experience sounds like.
Hello everyone, today I am doing a review for the Mabett seat covers for my 2022 Ford Bronco. So when I got the car, it had every package on it that I wanted. The only negative was that it came with these cloth seats that were kind of icky. We've got pets, we go off-roading, and cloth is just so hard to keep clean. So we wanted leather, and these were an insanely good deal. I mean, you can't tell they're not from the factory. They look phenomenal, they feel great. There's no point where you can tell it's not like part of the original seat or upholstery. It even comes with this little center console wrap. The back two seats are folded down currently, that's how we keep the car, but they also have these seat covers on them and they look incredible. We're active, we're doing triathlons, we're playing pickleball, we're going hiking, camping, off-roading. We're sweaty, so cleaning sweat off this is as easy as taking a rag or some soap and water or whatever, just wiping them down. With cloth, it's hard because it seeps in and it's kind of gross. So this was the first thing I bought when I bought this car because I knew I wanted leather seats. They look awesome with this two-tone, the striping, all that, wicked comfortable. And I've gotten so many compliments on it because people see my Bronco and they're like, whoa, like, where did you get those seats? Are they custom? And when I tell them I got them on Amazon and for how little I paid for them, they're like, wow, that's awesome. I need to get some. So if you've got a Bronco or any other car that Mabett makes seat covers for, you definitely want to check them out.
RIDEPOSH goes full-on luxury mode. Crafted from buttery soft Napa leather with a 4-layer design. Check out what the customer thinks about it.
Hey y'all, so today we just unboxed these custom fit leather seat covers that the brand sent over for free so we could try them out. They are for the Ford Bronco 4-door, and I'm really impressed with how well they went on and how great they look. They're made to fit perfectly on a 2021 to 2025 Bronco model, the version without the rear armrest with the cup holder. So they go on like they were factory installed. The material is super nice and it's such a soft leather that looks and feels really high end. And plus the best thing that we love is that they're waterproof and so easy to wipe clean, which is a lifesaver if you spill coffee or if you have pets riding along all the time like we do. We also like that they're designed with safety in mind, so they don't block airbags or any seatbelt buckles. There are even some pockets on the back of the front seats, which is a really handy bonus if you have kids traveling and want to stuff stuff in there. They do come with a step-by-step manual, and even though it might take about 30 to 40 minutes to fit them properly, it looks like they'll stay snug. They even have the covers for the headrest as well, and the console cover in the front between the two front seats. They really thought of everything with these. They're definitely a nice upgrade if you want to protect your seat and give your Bronco a more luxurious feel. They're definitely going to protect our seats for a long time. We love them, we hope you do too, and I hope this video helps.
Rolling with the rough country covers, you're getting pure durability. Made from neoprene with a 4-layer construction, they're built to take a beating from dirt, pets, and adventures. They fit the 21 to 25 4-door Bronco like a glove and blend right in with the factory look. The material is breathable and water resistant, so comfort doesn't take a hit. Bonus, you get full seat coverage, front and back, and a 2-year warranty for peace of mind. These are for folks who actually use their Bronco, not just park it pretty. Finally, Mabett brings solid performance and OEM-style vibes. Let's roll the buyer's feedback real quick.
So I'm here today reviewing the Mabett car seat covers. You might not be able to tell, but this is a car seat cover. It is really cool. I got a cloth interior as I didn't want to pay for the upgrade, and I knew I had a daughter and a son on the way, and the cloth interior was going to get destroyed. I've had these for about 6 months now, and you wouldn't be able to tell that they're aftermarket. None of my friends or family can tell because they just fit so perfectly. Installation is a bit rigorous as it takes me a little bit of time, but I mean, this thing stands up to any sort of water, stains, the protection. It just feels better, and it really does upgrade the look of the Bronco. It breathes, as you can see. It's perforated and it's thick. It's made of really nice material, and the straps keep it in place to the point where you really just can't tell. Back seats look perfect. Front seats look, I mean, incredible. So I couldn't honestly recommend this more. The car seat covers are really worth it. As you can see, headrests, it covers every bit of it. There is just no indication that this wasn't the way the car came, and I love them. So well worth the money. I expect to run this car into the ground, and I have a feeling these seat covers are still going to be on them at the end. So definite buy.
So whether you want luxury, durability, or that perfect fit, these seat covers all bring something special to the table. Don't let your Bronco's interior take a beating. Protect it and ride in comfort. Check the links down in the video description for current prices and details, and if this helped you out, smash that subscribe button and join the crew for more gear reviews and truck tips.